Welcome to Titan Machinery of Dickinson. In today's video, we'll be demonstrating a new 2012 Case CX50B. Let's take a closer look at the features on this mini excavator. This Case CX50B has 39 horsepower and a hydrostatic transmission, and features a general-purpose bucket and 15.7-inch tracks, along with a fully enclosed cab with heating and air conditioning. We have multiple units available with similar equipped features. Thank you for viewing this Case CX50B. If you're interested in this mini excavator and would like to contact their sales staff, give them a call at 701-227-5309. To view other available new and used equipment, check out dickinson.titanmachinery.com.